Good morning, student. I hope you all are safe and sound. Today I am sending my next video of exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Give the first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. This is the equation. You have to tell the first step and then you have to solve the equation. So A part is x minus 1 equals to 0. Now what is this first step? Here is minus 1. So we have to add the opposite sign here, means plus 1. Plus 1 means we have to add 1 to both the side. Because here is minus 1. So we will take the opposite sign so that we can solve the equation. So we add 1 to both the side. If you add 1, this is x minus 2, x minus 1, this is x minus 1 plus 1. Why plus 1? Because we are writing here ki add 1 to both the sides. So plus 1 is here, here is a 0 and plus 1 is here. Now we will add plus 1 both the sides. If you are writing plus 1 here and plus 1 here, then we will get this is minus plus minus 1 minus 1 is 0, or you can cancel them. Minus plus minus, they will cancel because both the number are same. So you can cancel, or you can solve minus plus minus 1 minus 1 is 0. You can write here 0 also, x plus 0. Now here is left only x. Here is 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. So in this way you can solve the equation. Solve the equation means you have to find the value of variable. Here is a variable x. So we have to find the value of x. Here value of x is 1. Next is h part. Now in h part we have the equation y plus 4 equals to minus 4. Now here is plus 4. Variable के साथ जो number है, you have to look at that number. Here is plus 4 means here we need minus 4 for cancelling. So minus 4 means subtract 4 from both sides. Subtract 4 from both sides. Now y plus 4 is already here. Y plus 4. Here you will write minus 4. Here is already minus 4. 1 is here, minus 4. So in this way you can subtract minus 4 from both the sides. Now again to the left hand side, here is plus 4 and here is minus 4. You can cancel plus minus minus 4 minus 4 is 0. So here is left y only. And this is minus minus plus 4 plus 4, 8, and sign should be of greater. So both the signs are same and both the numbers are equal. So here is the sign of minus 8. So in this way we can solve this equation. So variable y has the value minus 8. Next is question number 2. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Question is same. So A, 3L equals to 42. Now we have to solve this equation. Let's solve the equation. Here is 3 multiply with L. So if we remove this 3, we want to remove this 3, we have to divide it by 3. So divide by 3 both the sides. So 3L divided by 3. Here is 42 divided by 3. Now 3 ones are 3. So here we can remove this 3 because we want the value of variable. So value of variable is only when you will get when there is no number. So here is only L left. Now 42 divided by 3 is 14. So the value of L is 14. So in this way you can solve the equation. Next is the B part. This is the B part. Now in this B part, B upon 2 equals to 6. Now we have to find the value of B only. So here is 2 divided by, B divided by 2. So we have to multiply by 2 both the sides. So B upon 2 multiply by 2 equals to 6 multiply by 2. We will apply the opposite operation. If here is a divide, then we are multiplying. Here is a multiply, then we are divided. dividing, ठीक है. So b upon 2 multiply by 2, so 2 ones are 2, they will cancel, so here is only left b. So 6 2s are 12. So in this way we can find the value of this variable b equals to 12. Next is question number 3. Give the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Now this is the equation. A 3n minus 2 equals to 46. Now in this equation we have two numbers. Here is a minus 2 and here is 3n. So we have to use two steps to solve this. So let's see. So equation is 3n minus 2 equals to 46. Now first step is we have to remove this minus 2. Now here is minus 2, so we have to add 2 to both sides, because we are taking always opposite thing. Here is minus, so we have to add 2 to both the sides. So 3n minus 2 is already there, so plus 2, and this is 46 plus 2. We are adding plus 2 both the sides. Now minus 2 plus 2, they will cancel. You will left only 3n equals to 46 plus 2 is 48. Now what is left? 3 is left. We have to remove this 3. 3 is multiply with n. So we have to remove this 3. 3 is multiply with n. So we have to divide by 3 both the sides. So 3n divided by 3 equals to 48 divided by 3. Now 3 ones are 3. So here is only left n. So n is only left here. So n equals to 48 divided by 3 is 16. So we will get the value of n here. N equals to 16. So in this way we can solve the equation. In this equation we are applying two steps here. First we add, then we divide. Next is question number 4. Solve the equation. Now in this case he is not writing any steps to write. So this is your wish. If you want to write, then you can write the step also. A part is 10p equals to 100. Now 10p equals to 100. Now 10 is multiplying with p. So opposite is divide. So divide by 10 both the sides. So 10p divided by 10 equals to 100 divided by 10. 10 ones are 10. So here is only left with p. 100 divided by 10 is 10. So in this way you can solve the equation. Next is exercise 4.3. Question number 1 is solve the following equation. Equation is 2y plus 5 upon 2 equals to 37 upon 2. 2y plus 5 upon 2 equals to 37 upon 2. Now here is plus 5 upon 2. So we have to subtract 5 upon 2 from both sides. So 2y plus 5 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2 equals to, this is 37 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2. We will write minus 5 upon 2 to the both the sides. So plus minus minus 5 upon 2 will be cancelled with 5 upon 2. Now what is left? 2y is left. So 2y equals to 37 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2. Now we will take the LCM of this 2 and 2. So LCM is 2. In numerator we will get 27 minus 5. Now 27 minus 5 is 32. So our equation become 2y equals to 32 upon 2. Now you can divide this 32 by 2. You will get 16. So 2y equals to 16. Now what is left here? 2. 2 is multiplying with y. So we are taking the opposite. So divide by 2 both sides. If you divide, you will get 2y upon 2 equals to 16 upon 2. Now 2 will be cancelled with 2. 2 ones are 2. So here is left only with y. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So your answer is y equals to 8. So in this way you can solve the equation. Next is Question number 2, solve the following equation. A part is 2 bracket start x plus 4 bracket close equals to 18. Now this bracket means 2 is multiplying with this bracket. So if 2 is multiplying, so we will take the opposite, divide by 2 both the sides. So 2 bracket start x plus 4 is already here. So we will divide it by 2. Again here we will divide it by 2. 12 divided by 2. So we will divide 2 both the sides. So 2 ones are 2. So here is 1. So what is left here? X plus 4. So bracket will be open. X plus 4 and 12 divided by 2 is 6. Now what is left here? 4 is left. So transposing 4 to right side, because we are taking this 4 to the right side. If you are taking 4 to the right side, the sign will be changed. So plus 4 become minus 4. So here is left x, 4 will transposing to 6, 6 minus 4. So answer is x equals to 2. This is the same as the previous step we have done, that we are, if there here is a 4, then we subtract 4 from both the sides. If you do that subtraction, again the answer will be same. So both the steps are same. You can transposing or you can subtract 4 from both the sides. You will get the same answer. So both the steps are same, transposing or subtraction. So x equals to 12. Next is question number 3. Solve the following equation. A equals to 4 equals to 5 bracket start p minus 2 bracket close. In this question number 2, variable is on the left side. Now in question number 3, variable is on the right side. So let's see. So here 5 is multiplying with this bracket. So we will divide by 5 both the side. So 4 upon 5, 5 bracket p minus 2 bracket close, again divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5. So here is a 1. So 4 upon 5 equals to p minus 2. Now what is left here? 2 is left. So again transposing 2 to the left side, or you can add 2 to the both sides. So if you transposing this, minus 2 become plus 2 here. So 4 upon 5 plus 2 equals to p. Now this is a fraction and this is a whole number. So I am writing here 1 so that we can take the LCM. Now LCM is 5 and 1 का LCM क्या होगा? 5. So your numerator is 4 plus 10, because if you divide 1 by 5, so you will get 5. 5 to the 10. So 4 plus 10 is 14. So your answer is 14 upon 5. So this is the value of p. So in this case you can solve the question number 3. Now question number 4 is construct 3 equations starting with x minus x equals to 2. Now you have to make 3 equations with the help of this x minus x equals to 2. So first you can make so many equations from this x equals to 2. So I am taking multiply by 3 both the sides. You can take any number. If you multiply by 3 both the side, here this x become 3x and this become 2 3s are 6. So this is my first equation with the help of this. 3x equals to 6 is my first equation. Now I am adding to both the sides. In the equation 1, I am adding to both the sides. If I am adding, I will get 3x plus 2 and 6 plus 2. So 3x plus 2 equals to 6 plus 2 is 8. Now this is my second equation. You can add, you can subtract, you can divide, you can do so many steps in this equation. Now again I am taking x equals to 2 again. Now in this case multiplying by 9 both the sides. Both sides. Then 9 become 9x and 2 9s are 18. So this is my third equation. 9x equals to 18. Now rest of the parts is for your homework. Thank you.